Did you know that Tyrion Lannister's greatest weapon was also his deadliest curse? His mind. In Westeros, being clever doesn't make you powerful. It makes you a target. Tyrion grew up different, small, unwanted, mocked. So he built armor out of words, sharp ones. Every insult became a joke. Every pain became wit. His tongue was his shield. But here's the trap smart people fall into. They can't stop proving they're right. Tyrion slaps Prince Joffrey. Witty, satisfying, stupid. He delivers that trial's speech, brilliant, honest, suicidal. Every clever comeback pushes people away. Every joke builds walls. He thinks he's winning conversations. Really, he's losing allies. Because nobody likes being made to feel dumb, even when they are. His intelligence becomes isolation. His wit becomes loneliness. The smartest man in the room is often the most hated. Tyrion proves that being right and being wise are two very different things. Sometimes the cleverest thing you can do is stay quiet, but clever people never learn that lesson.